So what's wrong?
Why are you taking pictures? You are taking for fun?
Don't ask stupid questions. You ask something that's
you are taking
clear.
pictures and you're asking me what is wrong?
Do you have friends? Very simple.
Spelling is T-E-N. Forgery contrary to section 342 and 347 of the Penal Code Act, the particulars read, Balondemu David, Seguja Hassan and others still at large in the year 2023 at Kampala Hospital, Kampala City, knowingly and fraudulently made a false document to which a CT scan medical form dated 12 June 2023.
That true?
It's not true.
You have not looked into count number 2?
Count number 3, the statement is commit a felony. Contract section 390 of the Penal Code Act, the particulars state that Balondemu David, Seguja Hassan and others still at large in the year 2023 at Kampala Hospital in Kampala District conspired together to commit a felony to wit forgery.
Is that true?
Not true.
You have not given it as an count number 3 instead?
However, before the matter is fixed for hearing, the second accused person is mentioned. He was warrant advised for this very court. We are praying for an extension of the warrant so that we have both of them here.
Accused as a right.
Summons had been issued on, for service upon him on various dates, but none was served upon him. None was served upon him. He also ran with his arrest. That there was a service that the last criminal summons were served in the newspapers, but that is not an ardent newspaper reader, and even all of us, you cannot read the whole newspaper. And he never acted back. So they say criminal summons.
Also come by submitting the service is not effective.
Your Honor, unlike in a civil procedure, in the criminal procedure, service must be personal.
What happens if you fail to
But
make it
let me
personal?
submit, Your Honor. But even if he was served, service in the newspaper, Your Honor, is simply deemed service and not always effective service unless he has seen, unless there is proof that he actually saw the newspaper. That's the case of Entebbe versus George William, the Supreme Court decision to make it to the Your Honor, it is the other way around. Entebbe versus Gatete. It is the Supreme Court Civil Appeal. Supreme Court Civil Appeal. Supreme Court
Whoever sent us an ID, please ensure that you have your IDs back. If you don't have one,
the Supreme Court Civil Appeal number 10 of 205, where Justice Mulenga, as he then was, distinguished between deemed and effective service, and held that service is only effective where the party is personally served. And deemed if it is served through other processes, one agent and other processes, and unless it is proved that the service through those other processes was brought to the attention of a party and he neglected it, which is, I think, next to impossible, then that service. So we are submitting the honor and worship that the service in the newspapers was mere deemed service and not effective, and that service cannot be a ground for denying the accused person. The accused had been standing trial here. He has no criminal record of jumping on a bail. I think this should go on record. And in other matters, we are leading to this case. He had stood his trial the Socratic way, to the extent that only death would make him part with his trial. We therefore pray, Your Honor, and we have not been served, Your Honor. We therefore pray that court does not use upon the substituted service as a ground for denying him bail, because he did not, and there is no proof that he did deliberately saw the newspaper and evaded his trial. He's a man who has fixed places overboard. In all the previous times, no affidavit of service had been placed on record to show that they had tried to reach out to him in his physical dose and they failed. We so pray. Because the only test is whether the accused will stand his trial, and that one can only, the only test, Your Honor, in the grant of bail is whether the accused will stand his trial, and that can only be answered by looking at his previous antecedents, whether he has ever jumped bail or
Other than files, there is warrants.
there are no warrants in other files. Other than using the procedures, your own technicalities, which operate.
As of today.
Good night, Your Worship. We have had council submission. What are you want?
The documents?
For the surety. Your Worship will pray for time to verify the same. And also to reply to this submission.
How much time do you need?
Friday, tomorrow we have another.
Friday is not Friday.
Your Honor, I don't know.
Let her first submit, then come back.
Because I'm already hearing you be saying this date is not available.
She has sought for an appeal. She has sought for time to reply. And I'm asking how much time that she needs. It's about let the state serve you by that affidavit before this weekend, so that you can also file one if you can.